Hello dear fellow of Mwalimu Academy, you're warmly welcome again to this session. Here we have a question. It states that without using mathematical table, find the value of tan squared a from the equation below. The equation is 13 cos a minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, let's see the solution for this question. We are given 13 cos a minus 5 is equal to 0. 13 cos a minus 5 is equal to 0. Let's take this 5 to this side. Now we're going to have 13 cos a is equal to 0 plus 5. 13 cos a is equal to 5. Let's divide by 13 both sides. We're going to have 13 cos a is equal to 5. We divide by 13. We divide by 13. We're going to have cos a is equal to 5 divided by 13. Here we have cos a is equal to 5 divided by 13. But you have to remember, in this case here, you may use a right-angled triangle to find cos a, sin a, and tan a, meaning all trigonometric ratios. So let's consider a right-angled triangle. Take this to be our right-angled triangle. A right-angled triangle. This is a right angle here. Let's take this being angle A, this angle B, this angle C. After that point, angle A is what is spoken in this question. So we are speaking about this angle, this one. Remember, here we already have cos A, which is equal to 5 divided by 13. But we know that cosine of a given angle is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Now, in this figure, as the angle of reference is angle A, meaning our given acute angle under consideration, it means that the adjacent side is side AC. So adjacent side will be 5, is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And we know hypotenuse is the longest side, which is this one. So here is 13. As this is a right-angled triangle, now we are in the position of being able to calculate side BC. Remember, as this is a right-angled triangle, we may calculate side BC by using the relation that a square plus b square is equal to c square. This is known as Pythagoras theorem. A and B are the two shorter lengths, while C is the longest side. Now it means that A and B is going to be AC and BC. Now, for the case of AC, already we have 5. Now we take 5 square. We add BC, which is not known. BC square will be equal to C square. And we have said that C is the longest side, which is a hypotenuse. Here we are given 13. Now it will be 13 square. 5 times 5, we get 25. We add side BC square is equal to 13 times 13, we get 169. After that, we're in the position of finding out side BC. BC square is going to be equal to 144. BC square is equal to 144. We apply square root so as to find out side BC, the length of side BC. The square root of BC square is equal to BC. Now BC is equal to, and the square root of 144 is 12. So now we have already obtained side length BC, which is equal to 12. We know that from tan A, the tangent of an angle is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So this one is going to be equal to, our angle of reference is this one, angle A. So the opposite side to angle A is 12. Side length BC, which is equal to 12. As we've said that tan A is equal to opposite divided by adjacent, here we have already written the side length BC, which is opposite to angle A. Now the adjacent one, we mean that a nearby side, a side which is near to angle A apart from hypotenuse. Now this is the side AC. The length of side AC is given as 5. So tan A is equal to 12 divided by 5. But remember, in our question, we are asked to find out tan squared A. Now we are going to square the answer obtained so as to have tan squared A. Now tan squared A will be equal to 12 divided by 5 squared. This is going to bring us 144, meaning that 12 times 12, and 5 square, which is 5 times 5, we get 25. So this is the answer. If we write this fraction in a mixed number, we are going to have this one. We have 144 divided by 25. Now 25 into 5, we are going to have 125. We subtract. Here we are left with 9. Here 1. Now the answer is going to be 5 and 19 divided by 25. This makes the final answer to be 5 and 19 divided by 25. Therefore, tan squared A is equal to 5 and 19 divided by 25. Thank you. Have a nice moment.